This is a 1990 Saab 900, and I have been experiencing some noises as I take my window down and put the window back up. It's power windowed, and what I did is I just opened the panel, the window panel here, this gray stuff right here, and what I did is I removed 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws, and I also remove the cover for the door door. It's got the handle. I removed this. It's just 1 screw, and I also removed 2 screws, one here and one in the corner right here, and I slightly remove this sound deadening stuff that's behind the actual panel here. And by doing that, you got to be careful when you're removing this panel that you see moving here after you take this cover off. But this is, the panel goes all the way around the door. So I moved it. Some cracks happened, but I just used some silicone behind it, and by doing that, I was able to get access to the window regulator. And I just put some oil in the tracks of the window regulator, and I moved the window up and down so I could access the window regulator through the holes, different holes that's behind this panel. For example, this one that's very similar right here, it goes through all the way to the other side of the door, and I no longer hear any more noise as I take it down. So I hope this helps if anybody's experiencing this. Again, I did another video and I totally forgot to film it, but at least by hearing and seeing where I was pointing, that should help with someone experiencing noises, or it's just good general maintenance to just oil your window regulators to keep them lubricated, so that it's not metal rubbing on metal, because the window regulator has a plastic piece that allows it to roll up and down on the window track. So for that reason, it's just good to oil it. And I just put some WD-40, and if it starts doing it again, I'll do an actual demonstration where you'll see the door panel off, and I'll buy some better lubricant than WD-40. But for now, that's all I had on hand. I hope this helps anyone having the same problem. And again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts on the 6 screws on the door panel, and then these actual smaller screws right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This piece here, there's one in the back of this, so when you're taking it off, it'll fall. So what I did is I just removed all 4 on both sides, and I was able to put some WD-40 back there. I wish you the best of luck.